Hello everybody. Today you will see episodes about police instant karma, driving fails, and convenient cop. Remember to drive safely and always follow the rules of the road. This video is made for educational purposes and informational guide and contains significant original text commentary. USA. Quick police response. Guy makes illegal left turn. Canada, cutting off a cop after running a stop sign. It's a bad decision. This guy ran a stop sign and paid the price. Canada, driving the wrong way. Israel, it's a huge mistake. Driving in the wrong lane to skip traffic. USA, everyone going 60 or better in a 55 zone. This man going 75 to 80 after passing me.
Yes! Fuck yes! There you go. Get his ass. Get his ass. Good. Jet plane.
Get fucked. I will saw that coming. That sucks, bro.
Canada, this guy was very anxious to get in front of me. Looks like he'll be a little late to wherever he was going. USA. Potential convenient cop situation turns inconvenient when cop nearly causes accident trying to cut off merging traffic.
Yeah!
Instant karma for breaking a red light.
Apă asta? Da. L-a luat, gata. Păi cât acoalea a făcut o prostie, l-a văzut.
S-a dus pe partea aia. Hai, tu treci pe lângă,
L-a luat.
Și pe tine, Andrei?
Martor, cred.
Yes, bitch! Oh my fucking god! Yeah.
USA. This guy blocks traffic and blindly merges up the shoulder.
Nanobot bugs to clean the windows of your house every day.
Nice.
Like a lot of things collectively doing one bigger thing.
Yeah.
Am I off base there, or could that potentially be a thing?
Not at all. I think it totally could be a thing. It's anytime you have a huge amount of things that you're trying to all get to do roughly the same thing, but they need to not, redouble their efforts or replicate their efforts. So you don't want one cleaning one part of the window and the other one coming over and cleaning the same part of the window that's already clean. All you have to do is figure out how to teach them, if this happens, do this. And if you can figure out how to strip it down to a basic enough
Yes.
algorithm that could conceivably be used for
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to send your clips and stay safe.